In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill with a color in Photoshop. So, instead of having to go to the paintbrush tool here, for example, and then try to resize it and try to paint around it yourself, like this, I'm going to teach you how to do it easier and better. So, what you want to do is you want to select the shape you want to fill. So I've got this butterfly here. Now I'm going to get my magic wand. I'm going to click inside here and I'm going to add a new layer. This will stop me from drawing directly onto this layer. Now I'm going to get my paintbrush tool. You could also get the fill tool. I'm going to resize this to make it really big. And I'm just going to click on this and I've just colored in this inside area here. Now if I do Control and D, that's going to deselect it. And now I can fiddle with this layer and you can see I've basically created a stamp with this butterfly tool here. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe and comment down below that it worked. Thanks for watching.